What are you doing?
She's curling.
Pick the top one.
I am. They were falling. Because you're a loser, like, it's not my problem. Did I get in there?
Oh, where's that at? Someone tell me.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
But I don't want to see. Brings me back here at the worst times. As if things weren't bad enough when you ruined me
Hey, Nora.
the first time. I can't just go away.
Nice back.
Not now, not again, not today.
Hey, Nora.
In a time machine, looking down at some gruesome scenes. Nothing was in reverse, and so I relive what hurts. Like I used to memories of come. Thirdly, I did it with what's haunting me. Now I don't dare turn my back. That's when I get attacked. I'm broken down in a time machine. You know, I hear voices and I see lights coming from the door down the hall. I hear voices and I see lights.
Morning. So, here we are. February 19th. I know last time I made a joke about Snowmageddon and stuff like that. Well, this time it's actually supposed to snow, like a good amount, especially for Virginia Beach. The models are calling for like anywhere between 9 and 12 inches. Now, will that actually happen? We'll see. But, you know, that's kind of a lot. It's supposed to start today around, I guess around noon. That keeps changing too though, so I don't know. And then just go through the night into tomorrow. So, here we go. Going to do a job.
I've been dreaming under unfamiliar skies, talking to strangers, lost in nights passing disguise. Why am I so long? Why can't I say it all in a song? Come up face to face, words I wish I could erase. I've been climbing under unfamiliar skies, talking to strangers, lost in nights passing disguise. Take this heart, put it.
All right, everyone. It's about, what time is it? I think it's like 1:30. And it is coming down now.
With my bones, and put them in a box. Send them home.
It's 2:15. And it is definitely snowing. Oh my god, I just got some on my sock. So I'm wearing flip-flops out here.
Send them home. We've been dreaming alone under different stars, of 1,000 smiles and of 1,000 scars. We walk into the sun, we walk through the rain, we pass through the love and bask in the pain. In the pain.
Shorts is a crazy move. Alright guys, it's about 5:30. Got a little drink here. It's pretty, it's still snowing. It hasn't stopped the whole time. Got a little bowl here. It's filling up. Gonna use that to try to make the snow cream stuff. I don't even know what that is. But we're gonna try, because I thought it'd be fun. inside, we got a little pot roast working here. Mashed potatoes about to get going. Oh, what is that? That smells crazy.
Pour the milk.
Go for it.
It was my idea.
9 miles from your home. Can I come in? You want my bones. I'm a midnight mile from your home. Can I come in? You want my bones. Maybe this time I'll get it right. Maybe this time I'll get it right.
Yeah. Sit.
Oh, there's no going back to that. A sonum can't even react. Didn't say it's not okay, but we aren't feeling the same way. I ain't telling you a secret. I ain't telling you goodbye. It's the last thing on my mind. Still, you won't let things unwind. Spin it tight around your head. Can't you hear a word I said? I ain't telling you a secret. I ain't telling you goodbye. When you call, it's just not